Okay, so for question number 26, we're going to create a data entry form to include all fields from the yachts table. Okay, so to create data entry form, at the top we're going to click on create, then go to form wizard, and it says include all fields from the yachts table. Now we have the yacht table selected. All fields, we can click on this double arrow. If we want to add one at a time, we click on this. However, the double arrow allows us to add all in one go. Next, column, title, doesn't say to specify a title. Finish. Now this is the data entry form, and now what we need to do is to enter in these details into the form and take a screenshot for evidence. Okay, so very important that you enter in the details as accurate as you can, because you get points for entering it in correctly. Okay, so watch my mouse. You need to click on this button here to create a new record. Now, when you click it, it opens up like this, and we have like a blank entry. Now we're ready to enter in our details. Okay, so next what we're going to do is, it says check your data entry for errors. Okay, so make sure you proofread everything you've entered in. Take a screenshot showing the completed with this new record. Okay, so we're going to hold down the Shift, Windows and S button, and then we're going to select this here, and then this is what we're going to add as our evidence, like so. This is what we're looking for in the evidence for this question. Okay, that is the end of question 26 and 27. Thank you very much.